Hi there, this presentation is coming to you from Get Data Solution. Get Data Solution create dashboard and other data management tools. The purpose of uh, Get Data Solution is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost and increase productivity. Today we will see very important topic, which is VLOOKUP function and its practical utility. In the previous videos, we have seen the purpose of VLOOKUP for budget calculation, for grade report generation, sales report with fixed price over months. Today we are going to see sales report with using variable price over months uh, by using VLOOKUP function. So VLOOKUP for sales report generation using practical example where the product sells with different prices and the price change over a month. So we use this data. Our products are this mobile Samsung, camera, watch, laptop and desktop computer. Here is the price. The price changes from January 250, for example, for mobile Samsung, and every month there is an increase in price by $10. So it is the same trend for other products as well. The price increase by 10. For example, the last one from 400 in December 510. So using this variable price, we'll see the sales report generation using VLOOKUP function. So to start with, let's start with January month, and our products are the same in all the months. Here we have those 5 products. So we'll use this VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP in this particular case is B10, for example, mobile Samsung, and the lookup array is this table or price data over months, and then the column for January, it is January is in the second column here. As you can see, the first column is the product name, and the second column is for the price for January. So that is the 2 represent the column and 0 represent the matching. So once we set that, we'll drag for the others and we'll get the price for those products. For example, we can check for mobile, it is 250, 300 for camera and 400 for desktop computer. So it is right. So we'll insert the quantity sold in that month. Let's propose the mobile Samsung is 12, so the total price will be this one. We simply multiply the price with quantity sold. The same is true for the other products. Here is the total sales for the month of January. That sales is also displayed here in the summary, sales summary, which is 21,700. So similarly for the month of February, we'll use VLOOKUP function again. In this case, the column is 3 here, because in our price data set, the February month is in the column 3. So again, we insert the data and drag for others, and then we'll insert the amount sold. Then the total sales will be automatically calculated, including the individuals and the total. Again, for the month of March, we use similarly VLOOKUP. The lookup value here is now in B30, which is for mobile, and the table array is the same, but the only difference is the price for March is in column 4. So we'll make this 4 and then insert it, then drag for the others, and we enter the quantity sold in that particular month. Then we'll get the total sales. Again, for April, VLOOKUP is from B40, and the table array is similar table from the previous data set, and the column this time is 5, and we insert and we'll get the price, and the quantity will be inserted here, and then we'll get the sales price. So we'll continue likewise for the month of May. As you can see, the price is actually increased from the previous month by 10. If you see, for example, for mobile in April it was 280, now 290. So the only thing we will do is we can update this quantity sold in that particular month. Then it will calculate the total price for each product and the summary. Let's check, for example, again for the June. June is the price is not actually indicated here, but we can actually do it by copying from the previous one. We'll copy and paste it here. Let's make it a similar color for the June. Here we have used for the June green color. We can use here again green color. We need to have to adjust the column, because the June price is in column 7. We have to adjust that, change the column to 7. Now it has been updated, and then we have to drag it, check if the price has been increased by 10 for all the products. For example, 290 to 300, 440 to 450. Then we'll insert our quantity sold. Then it will automatically calculate the sales amount. So from that, we'll have a summary table here for sales summary. In this particular case, we insert the data from January to June, and we have here sales summary for January 21,700, which is 9.6% of overall total. February 227,740, 12%. For March 8,300, 12% contribution, 12.5% to be exact. In April, 44,850, 19.9% from the total sales. and in May 50,900, which is 22.5% contribution. In June 52,250, which is 10.3.1 in contribution, and totally we have 225,740. So this will automatically update. So earlier we have said our product have the following purpose: save time. We can save time, as you have seen it. We have easily calculated with a matter of minutes. We could generate automatic report, as you have seen. It's possible to get automatic report, and it's also increased productivity. We can just do it with uh, less effort and a short time. So that is very useful. If you want to add for the remaining months as well, we will go there and update as we like. For example, in the case of July, what we'll do is we'll have already here the quantity sold. What we'll do is we have to update this one. For example, in price, we will copy and paste, but we have to adjust the column this time to 8. Here it is. Let's adjust the color to July. So, yeah, and drag it. Yeah, and for July, let's update the sales value. So we can easily update it. Now, as you can see, the proportion of sales has been also updated automatically. Now, July has 31% contribution from overall sales total, which is 331,440. And as you can see, it has been actually gradually increasing. Our sales is increasing from the trend, as you can see, from 6.5% to 31% in July. So we can get this sales summary report using VLOOKUP function for variable price sets for different months. So I think it is very useful to use VLOOKUP function to manage our data and our business. This is very important, especially for business people, where they can actually easily update their price every time and get automatic report from their sales using VLOOKUP. This will make things easy for them. So that's all from Get Data Solution for today. We have seen VLOOKUP function for sales report generation using different price over months. So thank you very much for following us, and if you are interested to see more practical examples than using VLOOKUP function, please see also other videos made on the VLOOKUP function practical uses in the previous videos. And thank you very much, and please subscribe to this channel, and bye bye.